Light open from here. So here we have the electronics panel. This is internal lighting. So here you have the outlets, these two. So you turn on the lights from here. At night, you want to charge your phone. You have two outlets here and those two, one in the back. But you need to have this on and turn off the lights from here. But important to keep this on because otherwise you won't have electricity to charge your phone. Then this is an external light here in case you need it at night. This is the water pump. You want to have water from the sink on the shower, you need to have this on. And when you don't need to use the water, turn it off so it's not running all the time. This auxiliary doesn't work for anything. And this is information for the batteries. Battery of the car, the house, and clean water tank, which is 100% full. So now it's full, you need to return it full. What else? So the gray water tank is not measured here, but it's the inverse. Now we saw that it's empty. So let's say that you shower a few times and this comes down to 50%, so the gray water tank would be 50%. So what I recommend you is when you have to refill the clean water, always empty the gray water tank, so both deposits will be balanced. Then here, this is for the heating in case it gets cold at night. This one, you press here and then select the temperature. You select the degrees, 24 for example. This flame shows up, so the heating is on. You want to turn it off, press in the middle and then move to the left and push. And then this one is for the hot water. You move the needle to the right, and then when it's in amber like this, you press the button and then move to the right. Hot or boost. Boost will warm it up faster. Press here and then this bottle shows up, so the hot water is on. You want to have it on 20 minutes or 30 minutes if it's cold at night before, to have a hot shower, because it takes some time to warm up. And then when you finish showering, you turn it off. That's it. Then here you have some storage. You want to open this to ventilate a little bit. You press here and then you move it. You can have it on. You have a mosquito net this way, and you have sun blocker this way. So when you are driving, always close, because if it's windy it can break and repairs are expensive. So then you want to open these cabinets, you press here with your finger, open, and then you close. Same here, this one, you open and close. This window, same system that I told you before. So I recommend you, when you are outside of the camper, close it, so people don't watch inside, and be gentle with it. Then here you have another one, same system. Like this, you go up and down and open and close. Be gentle as well. This is a big mosquito net in case you need it. It goes all the way. Then here you press this button and here you have a storage. Then this button from here, it's broken, but it works. You press here and then you open. So here for the kitchen you use this, because this is not working, and then here you have kitchenware. Then press here, and here you have a coffee maker, plates, cups, and then down here you have pots and pans. Then this is the refrigerator. Now I have it on the 3, so tomorrow will be cool enough. So this is the freezer, fridge, and this is also fridge. This is a space for bottles. So at night, what I recommend you, because this fridge consumes batteries, to put it in night mode. So at night it's consuming less electricity because the camper has a solar panel on top that helps to recharge the batteries. So at night put it in night mode, and then during the day you can have it at 3 or something like that. Then here you press here, you have a closet. Down here another closet. These lights you need to press here and then press here. So this is the bathroom. To shower, you remove this boot from here and you put it here while showering, and while showering you put this here, and then the shower you can put it up here. Then here you have some tablets for the toilet to avoid odors. So now there is one already inside, so you only need one tablet per each service. For example, if in day 2 you have to empty the toilet and you have to reuse it again, throw one tablet from inside. I'll show you now. So then this is the toilet. You open this tab and then you see this gray lever here. You push it up to the right and then you open. So now you can use it. And then you move this to the left and this is closed. So have it closed when you don't use it, and when you have to use it, open it, do whatever you have to do, and then close it. It's important to have it closed because when you have to remove the deposit to empty it, the deposit won't come out unless you have this closed. And then you could flush it if you need, if the water pump is on, but I recommend you not to flush it with a lot of water because the deposit will get full faster. And then another thing, there is an air cooling system back there. So, and if you want to have it on, because if it's hot or something, you need to have the light and the water on. If you have the light and the water on, you come here, press here in the middle where it says OK. You need to hold it for a little bit until it gets blue, and then press OK. And now it throws fresh air. You can turn it up to 24. 24 is the maximum strength. But the temperature is constant, so when you don't use it, so you can lower it and then stop it from here. And when you don't use this or don't use the water, turn off the water pump from here.